welcome back to another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you can reset the service indicator of an Opel Adam. This one comes from 2018, and in this short video I'm going to show you I can get rid of this indicator over here popping up when you turn the ignition on or start the car. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. Have a look at our channel for more than 500 other videos on how to reset different model cars. Some tips and tricks about cars. Use the comment area if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start right away. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. All the lights must go on. Then we're gonna use the left thumbstick over here. There's a menu button over here. Scroll through the menu to find the options of the car. Then turn this to find the oil indicator. Once you are here, press, is also a press button, this one. Set and clear button, press and hold. Press once, then turn this to go to yes. Press it again, and you'll see that the indicator shows 100% now. So turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and you'll see that the service indicator has reset. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and hope to see you next time with another video. Stay safe, take care, bye bye.